Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Collab feature on YouTube. So basically open up YouTube and then you want to find a video. So you can scroll and then find a video that you want to do a collab on. Let's just say it's this video right here. You want to click on the three dots there. Sorry, no, not that. You basically want to click onto the video. Okay, turn the volume down and you want to scroll down and click on remix. There it is. Tap onto remix and there you'll see the collab button. Tap onto collab, and right now you want to select which part you want to collab with. So I'll just set it like that and then tap on next. It's going to process for a moment, and once it is done processing, as you can see, it's almost done. Okay, you want to allow camera to YouTube to access your camera, so tap while using the app, and now you want to record your bit of the collab. So you'll just push record and record the 15-second collab. Okay, when you're done, you can tap onto the tick mark. When you're done, you can tap onto the tick mark right there, and you can post that collab. Okay, so if this did help you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.